So one thing I forgot to mention about the free physical bonus item is, because I know this is going to be a question from some of you guys, and I just want to clear up any of the fog. So I know a question is going to be, well, how do I ask for a free bonus? Am I getting it from the same supplier as my main product? Am I getting it from a different supplier? How does this all work? Do I have to create two separate products within Amazon? How does this work? So let me clear it up for you. Number one, the majority of the time you just want to ask, well, you always first just want to ask your main supplier of your main product if they can supply the free bonus for you. So back to the barbecue glove example, if your glove supplier can source the claws, well, you just want to ask them if they can source the claws. If they can, great. Just tell them to include a pair of the claws within every box of the gloves. Job is done. If not, ask them if they know a supplier who can supply the claws. Great. If they can, great. If not, then just simply reach out yourself on Alibaba in a very similar fashion to how you're going to see me reach out in my supplier negotiating module of this course. Very simple. You'll just have to reach out to separate suppliers yourself. Now, from my experience, normally that's not necessary. Normally, your main supplier can either supply the product themselves or they have sort of a partner supplier that can supply it, and they will just ship the claws to your main supplier's warehouse so your main supplier can package them all up together for you. That's the best way to do it. And from an Amazon standpoint, it's super simple. You're not going to do anything different. If you're selling barbecue gloves, that's all you're still going to be selling. It's one product. The free bonus will not even be registered within the Amazon platform. Amazon will just be treating everything as the one product as your barbecue gloves. So that's as simple as that. Super simple, super clear. Hopefully that helped because I know some of you probably had that question. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.